professionally designed Shopify store is very crucial for your dropshipping business. And as we have already told you in our previous video that you have to outperform in every aspect in 2024 because the competition is very high this time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a professional Shopify store step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start our store customization on Shopify for 2024. As you can see, this is my Google. So I'm going to search for Gmail. So I'm going to customize my store on Shopify. For that, I need a Gmail account. If you already have an existing Gmail account of yours, so you can use that, but make sure you don't have any store linked to that Gmail. I don't have any, that is why I'm creating a new Gmail account. So let's create an account for our Gmail. So once you will enter your code, it will take few seconds to create your Gmail account, and I would suggest you to add your recovery mail every time you are making a new Gmail account. If your accounts get suspended or disabled, at least you will have a recovery mail so that you can recover your account again. So I would highly suggest to add a recovery mail. Okay, so I'm going to add the recovery mail. So once our Gmail account is created, we are going to type Shopify, and now we are going to create your website, start the free trial. So Shopify gives you a 3-day trial. So if you're a beginner level and you want to see like how you can do the customization part, you can definitely go on with the 3-day trial. And once you are done with the customization part, if you want, you can purchase their plan. So you have to select your country. Our country is India, so I'm selecting that, and I'm going to sign up with my Google account. If you want, you can sign up with your Hotmail account as well. It's up to you. And guys, the best part is that you don't have to do any coding. There are many platforms that require a lot of coding and things become very complicated. So if you are from non-technical background, you just have to pay Shopify their subscription fees, and your whole focus would be to bring some profitable sales and more on the product research part. That is why it makes your works quite easy. So I would suggest to go with Shopify because a lot of dropshipping suppliers are easily available on this Shopify. That is why I recommend going with Shopify only. So now to select our plan, so I'm going to choose the basic plan, that is for 20 rupees for the first 3 months. Now you have to select the billing cycle also. So I'm selecting the monthly cycle, and for payment method there are 2 options: credit card, debit card and UPI. So I'm going for the UPI one. So whatever your UPI ID is. So Shopify is going to ask for a payment on your phone pay. What you have to do, you just have to accept the auto pay request. So I'm accepting the auto pay request, you can see. And once this is done, you can easily go and subscribe to your plan. So as my UPI is connected already, this subscribe button will be available within I think 1 to 2 minutes. We just have to wait for that. After this, you have to confirm your billing address and details. So once this is done, like your billing cycle and your business address, you have this option over here to subscribe. I'm going to subscribe so that I can have the access of all the things like launching my store and everything. And here I'm going to skip this. There are few settings that you have to do. For the settings part, I'm going to put my name. You have to write the name of your store. My store name is Deals Bazaar, and email and everything, it's already here in default. You have to also select your store currency. Your store currency, if you are doing for India, it should be INR. And if you are doing US dropshipping, it should be USD. And the time zone is already selected. And we have already selected a basic plan. So you can see our active plan details are here. For the payment, if you are going with the US transaction, then I would suggest you can activate PayPal. For manual payments, you have to select COD because in India you are going to do cash on delivery orders, only then you will have some chance to sustain in the market. Otherwise, you have to start focusing on building a brand for a long term, only then you can expect some online orders, and that too take a lot of budget for ads. So I would suggest in the beginning, if you are starting a dropshipping store from basic, I would suggest go for COD orders. Yeah, but COD orders come with some RTO. That is why we choose product that have at least like 40 to 50% of delivery rate. COD does come with a lot of RTOs, guys. You just have to activate COD. Now here is the option like customer contact method. How do you want your customers to get in contact with you, like a phone number or a mail? If you want them to just connect with you via mail, so you can just choose the option of email and remove the option of phone number. Now we are going to shipping and delivery. So for here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put on free shipping. And the standard one, I'm going to delete that. And for international, like it is written like we are going to charge around 1700, but I'm going to just delete this one also. And you can see international payments, it's inactive right now. What you have to do to active international payments, you have to go to the market section. So what you have to do, you have to go to add market, and you can select continent wise, so you just have to add them. So we have added few markets in which we want to sell out of India, but I would suggest if you are doing Indian dropshipping only and you are not expecting any orders internationally or not advertising outside India, so I would suggest avoid using these. Like you can go on with the primary India and leave all this. And now you have to save all these things that you have done. Now we'll go to the last part, that is policy. For policy, you just have to create it from template, like the template is given over here. And you can see your email and everything, it has just taken automatically because these are the default settings given by Shopify. You just have to create templates. The only shipping policy is not given in the template part, so you have to add the shipping policy manually. And for the contact information, it has taken the contact information automatically, and you have to save it. So if you have any pages of shipping policy, you can add that. Otherwise, you can take the help of ChatGPT also. So what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm looking to build a brand over here. So for that, I need a proper domain. So it's time for us to buy a domain for ourselves. We are going to buy our domain from Hostingo.
Let me tell you why domain is so important. So domain is very crucial for dropshipping business because it builds a trust in your customers' eye. Along with that, it also builds the credibility and professionalism in your e-commerce store. So if you use a very good and a high quality theme, you can see a lot better conversion in your e-commerce store. That is why, for reference, you can see like websites like Bewakoof, Soul Store. Their e-commerce website is so top notch, like all the discounts and the featured collection going on. So you have to keep in mind that you have to build a very good looking store. Like mine that I have created, I'm going to do some more changes once I'll purchase the domains. You can see this is my store. This is basic till now, but first I'm going to buy a domain for myself. Then I'll add some more changes in the store and make it a very engaging store. So to buy a domain, I'm going to buy it from Hostingo. Because I trust them, and we have made quite a lot of brands. Most of the domains that we buy is from Hostingo, and they have this 75% off going on for their web hosting. Like you can create a website in their platform also, and if you want, you can buy a domain for your e-commerce store as well. You can see their website is top notch, and all the queries and everything, FAQs, it's given here. I have already built my store on Shopify, so what I'm going to do is that here they have this option of WordPress, website builder, hosting, pro and domain. So I'm gonna be going for domain, and my website name is Deals Bazaar.
Let's see, fingers crossed, whether we'll have this domain available or not. So we have a lot of domains available in here. You can see. So we have dealsbazaar.io for 3,309 per year, and we have Deals Bazaar Agency Online, ORG Cloud, dealsbazaar.me, info.co. So now you can see we have plenty of options over here. I was looking for dealsbazaar.com, but it was already taken. But there are a lot of options like dealsbazaar.agency.net. So what I am going to do is that I'll be going for dealsbazaar.info because they have 80% discount on this particular domain, or else I'll go for this dealsbazaar.net. They have this 13% discount in this one. I'll go with this one. This has a good discount. Add this particular domain to my cart, and the domain name is dealsbazaar.info, and this is quite a good deal that I'm getting. So I'm going to choose the period for 1 year, and I'm saving 80%, guys. And Hostinger has plenty of discounts going on right now. So if you are creating your website for dropshipping for India or international, you must have a domain, and I particularly trust Hostinger because their domain are so much affordable and you get pretty much good discount. So it's a deal, guys. So what I'm going to do, I have selected the period for 1 year and I'm saving 80%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pay them through my UPI. Yeah, so let's secure the payment. So this is a confirm auto pay request. In this case, what happens is that once I'll continue this, so I'll get an auto pay request. So I just have to accept. They're not going to charge me 10,000 rupees. I just have to accept because it's an auto pay. I can cancel this anytime. So I'm going to accept this. So my auto pay has been set up successfully. So once this is done, you can see I have already purchased this domain. And all my name and everything has been done. I just have to finish my registration. So I have to fill some details like my state, that is Uttar Pradesh. City will be Lucknow. My domain has been already registered over here. Let's go to continue. And for now, I don't need any web hosting, but for future references, if you like to create your WordPress website, you can definitely go on with Hostinger. They have a very efficient interface for web hosting. You can definitely check out if you don't want to pay to Shopify. So you can see I have already purchased my domain. And you can see this is the domain overview, and here we will go to this DNS name servers. We have this A name record, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this one. Now I'm also going to delete this C name. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a C name record. So in the name section, I'm going to type www, and in the target section, I'm going to add this shops.myshopify.com, and then we have to select add record. So once this is added, now I'm going to choose type A, and I'm not going to write any name. I will point it to this IP address right here, and TTL will be same, and I'm going to add record.
So guys, this is my Google dashboard, and what I'm going to do, the domain name that I have bought, that is dealbazaar.info. I'm going to search that, and once I search dealbazaar.info, you can see that my website is opening up.
Let us just start the store customization part, that is very important. So you can see this option over here. When you will go to online store and then customization, you have this thing, your online store is password protected. So what you have to do, you just have to remove the password. So once you will remove the password, your store is visible to everyone, like whoever gets the URL of your store can easily see your store. Otherwise, it will start asking for your email if your store is password protected. So I would suggest, if you're launching your store, don't forget to remove the password. Okay. So the default theme that Shopify gives you is the Dawn theme, and there are some popular free themes also, like the Dawn, Spotlight, the Refresh, and Sense, Craft. Many of these are very simple and aesthetic themes, but we also have a tested theme for our Indian e-commerce, and the best part about that theme is that we don't have to add any pages manually. All the things are already coded, so we just have to upload our theme through a zip file, and the conversion of that theme is also good. So I would suggest going with our own theme that my team has customized. I'm going to the section called Add Theme, Upload Zip File, Add File. So I have this theme, Shopify zip. I'm going to upload this theme. And if you are at a beginner, I would suggest don't pay for any theme, just go with the basic Dawn theme or any theme that you want to customize. So if you want to create a general dropshipping store, that means you have this accessibility to add any type of products that are winning products, and they are not related to any particular niche. But if you are looking to create a store that is related to a particular niche, like the home essentials or the makeup or skincare related or gym related, so you have to customize the store according to that particular niche. So I am creating a general Shopify store. I'm not going to be very specific with the image banners that I'm using. So now that my theme has been installed, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to publish this. So as you can see, this is what my basic Shopify store look like after uploading my own theme. You can see all the things, testimonials and every footer menu part and everything, policies are already here. All I have to do just to do the basic things. If you're going with the basic Dawn theme, I would suggest you can create pages through ChatGPT, or there are some other AI tools. You can take the help of that. Or if you don't want to take help for ChatGPT or any other sources, what you can do, you can join our community. Once you will join our community, we are going to provide you the link of the pages that we generally use for the footer menu and for the main menu. So what are you waiting for? Go and join our WhatsApp community. Let's do the customization. I'm going to start with the header menu. So I'm going to keep the logo in the left side, and for the logo, I'm going to create one logo by using Canva. I'm just scrolling and looking for a good theme. I think this one is quite good. So what I'm going to do, the logo that I've created right now, I'm just going to upload that. I think this looks quite good. For the image banner, I'm going to upload an image banner for myself that I have created through Canva. So I have added my image banner over here. For the second image slide, I don't have any current image for that, so I'm going to, I do have. So I'm going to write a text over here. If you want, you can take help of a ChatGPT or Google also. So So I'm going to put on a heading in my store. It represents what my store want to say. After that, here is option for button label. So I'm going to put on a label of shop. So now, and here I'm going to paste the link of all the products, all products, and I'm going to remove the inverted commas. So here we come to the second part, that is of our collection. For that I am going to use the app called Roposo Cloud. It's a dropshipping app where they keep the inventory. All you have to do, you just have to push some products from them, and you have to test those products whether those products are profitable or not. Once you know that what is the exact profitability of that product, you can start maximizing your orders.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are doing dropshipping in 2024 and try to build a brand, you must have a domain so that you can do the SEO of your brand name. And if anyone searches for like top brands related to this particular niche, if your SEO is good enough, your website is going to rank. That is why I will suggest you to try to focus on building a brand in 2024. And that's it.